It was good and it covered all the areas of the syllabus and it was very holistic in nature. Difficulty level was, I think it was similar to the questions that are asked in PYQs on the actual UPSC exam. So some questions were tough to answer, some were pretty direct, and somewhere in the mid level. Yes, actually, it's my first attempt and first main, so first and above. A bit confident and a bit underprepared, both mixed feelings are there. Not really. Actually, I'm a student of Next IS itself. So the teachers have covered in the foundation course all the areas very well. So no surprises as such. I think a question related to economic survey would be better because I have covered it very well.
The paper, I would say, was a fine balance of current affairs and the conceptual clarity what UPSC demands. Like, for example, there was this one question that why are forest fires increasing and what can we do to, like, what are the impacts that are not in one dimension, and they asked us like economical and environmental, and that is what UPSC asks. So the paper was set at much like very close to the levels of the actual exam. It made us brainstorm on the spot, a fine blend of current affairs like Swachh Bharat Mission and static parts like urban disasters. So it was a very good paper. I would say it was very close to the actual GS3 exam because I sat for it last year and I could feel that this was a recap of the actual GS3 examination.
Paper was quite as expected and as per UPSC norms, as I have prepared through OPYQs. So this was a very good paper to judge. There were few difficult questions, which you didn't expect to come, but they came in UPSC paper. So this was a very decent paper which I expect. There are few things that I am lacking at, which I feel like one of the things is time management. One question was left, so I have to focus on that, and I need to revise few topics. So that was GS3. I think economy and agriculture is the strongest section for me because that's my option. Agriculture and economics mostly Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana or the schemes which have completed anniversary year, so they are expected to.